Hi, I am Dr. Kirija DK. This video is one in a series designed to help with Logisim evaluation. Logisim is an educational software tool used to design and simulate digital logic circuits. It's widely used for teaching and learning digital electronics as it provides a direct drag and drop interface for building circuits and testing their functionality in real time. Getting started with Logisim. Logisim can be downloaded from its official source page. The link will be given in the description box. Ensure that the Java runtime environment is installed on your system, as Logisim requires is to function. Logisim program is first opened. This is the interface that you will see. It contains a number of important parts. As the top is the menu bar. It's a standard menu bar you would find in lot of different programs, and each of these items have various subsections, means submenus. Underneath the menu bar is a toolbar. Now the toolbar contains quick links to all of the tools that are most commonly used for any circuit you build with Logisim. The first tool is on the left is a pointing finger that's used to poke is various inputs in order to change their values as a circuit is running. The second is on the arrow tool is used to point to various components, change their properties. You can move around, change their parameters. Next is A tool is used to add text notes to a screen. There are two ports in this toolbar. The square port is used for inputs and the round port is used for output. Finally, the three most commonly used gates can be found in the toolbox. These are NOT gate, an AND gate, and an OR gate. Underneath the toolbar is the component library. There are several classes of components, and each of these classes have number of individual components available. We have seen AND, OR, NOT, XNOR, so and so. Near the bottom left corner of the Logisim interface, you will see the property panel. This property panel will display properties for each of the components that you place in your circuit. Finally, the largest, most important part of the Logisim interface is the drawing canvas. It's on this canvas that you will evenly place your circuit. First, we have to design the circuit for AND gate. Click on AND gate and put on canvas. Here we have to set the properties of an AND gate, because by default 5 inputs, but we need to verify the truth table for AND gate. We need only 2 input. So first we have to change it by change the number 5 to 2. A and B, and one output has X. For input, we can take square add pin. for A and 1 for B. So finally take the output pin to get the or verify our truth table. Okay, then we have to label the circuits by using property window. First we can label it as AND gate and change the font size and style also. So like that we can change all inputs. A and B, and output take it as Z. So now our circuit is ready for verifying the truth table by using simulation. We know that the logic of AND gate is changing the values to 1 and 1, A value 1 and B value 1. Now the output will be 1. So then we verify for B value has changed to 0, A value remains 1, the output will be 0. Then we can change A value 0 and B value to 1. So then we can get the output as 0. Finally, we have to change both the inputs to low, means 0, 0. So we can get the output as 0.